Alright, in this video we will try to after this enemy states changes, we will try to find out when this animation time is ended, and to do this we will simply go to docs.unity, and there we will make use of coroutines, which are basically kind of a timers. So we will if you see how they are in the first example. So they have made a class, and that is returning IEnumerator type, which is basically shows use of coroutines. So here we can make a coroutine like this. This is an internal coroutine that coroutine is equal to wait and print, and here we are passing a time like this. So to make a coroutine, simply let's do like this. So this was missing in the script, which we will put right now. And then we have to call the coroutine like this. And it's pretty simple again. So I won't explain because this is pretty basic. And what it means is that here we will try to save the coroutine that will be returned from here, this function, and then we will start the coroutine right away. And this is the function which returns IEnumerator coroutine type, and this is how it will be returning it. So after 2 seconds, so after wait time is end, it will show this coroutine ended, and here we can type start running instead of start attack. So this is start running, and here another thing that we did was look for the agent. So here we will try to, instead of doing this here, we will try to call the agent movement as true here. So this is wait and print, and this is what it does. So if everything is fine, this should work. Another thing that we can do is the animation time. This can be this can be we can type, make a variable, something like this, animation end time float, sorry, animation end time, animation attack, animation uh, something like this. You can make it, and we can then make it a serialized field. Pretty simple here. And now we will try to see that if we go on to Animator component, and if we double click this, to see how much time it takes. So it takes 30 seconds, I think. These are the events. We can also do via events, but we won't. Yeah, so these are 144, 114, and it's averagely 20 seconds, I suppose. This is the time written. The total time it takes is 3 seconds, as you can see. If I totally take it to here, this is 3.21. So let's do 3.5 instead. If we can go to Croc. Okay, so first thing we'll do is save the tag animation time is 3.5, and now if everything is fine, it should play this again. So if I drag and drop this here, so it kind of follows, and as you can see, even though it has remained in the back, because agent was a bit slow, I can increase the speed, but it's not chasing well. So if I go to agent here and set the speed to something like this, and now if you see, agent will come turning in like this. And even though the speed has increased, so what happened here is that, if I can show you the Croc here, it has turned on this agent movement here. Detection radius is fine, I suppose. Tag distance we will increase to see why it's not attacking. And if I press play now, so in the start running, it comes here, and this routine was ended. But what could have happened, that it is not playing the detaching this component either. We will look at it in a second, the next tutorial. Thank you.